A study of coronaviruses has found that they can survive on surfaces such as metal, glass and plastic for a number of days. This is due to the virus being propelled through the air within mucus or droplets from infected people. These droplets then land on the surfaces and they may be invisible to the naked eye. These droplets provide an environment in which the virus can survive for long periods of time. So it's a must that all surfaces that may have come into contact with or even nearby to an infected person are cleaned with proper antibacterial wipes. When wiping down surfaces, use an S-shaped motion which will allow you to cover the entire surface area. Make sure that you pay extra attention to the sides, corners and edges of surfaces, as these are regularly forgotten but just as likely to harbour the infection. Regularly change the wipe you're using, especially if it becomes visibly dirty. Make sure you're using special antibacterial cleaning wipes as well, otherwise you're just contaminating the wipes and possibly just pushing them around the surface, spreading them even more. Surfaces that should be wiped and cleaned regularly include those within the healthcare sector, all toilets and sinks, classroom tables, and those in public areas such as public transport. Cleaning your phone screen with alcoholic wipes twice a day can help to drastically reduce the transmission of COVID-19 and is regularly forgotten about. Remember to do your part in halting the transmission of this deadly pathogen.